let's make something cute. Using the invitation only molds from IOD and my 2-part quickset resin, I'm going to cast Mr. Fox and the cat from the invitation only mold. This resin is a 2-part resin and it cures within 10 minutes. Once your molds have set and cured, grab your favourite acrylic paint. I'm using burnt sienna, gold and a little tiny bit of scarlet paint to make a coppery colour. Paint that over the entire casting and I give it 2 coats. Next we're going to take my decoupage glue and the patina effect set from Pentart, and I'm going to use the glue and apply it all over the casting, and then I'm going to grab my Pentart patina effect powder and paint that onto the casting. I'm then using the regents that come in that kit. There's 3 of them in various shades of blues and greens, and we're going to squeeze those over the entire castings. Now I'm just taking a few little wood blank pieces and I'm painting them grey, and then I'm going to take my modelling paste and my brick stencil from Decoupage Queen, and I'm going to use that stencil to create a fake brick effect. You'll see that I'm using a palette knife to apply it over the entire surface, and then I'm using a stippling effect to give it the texture of brick. I let that dry and then I apply this stencil back over it, and then I'm going to paint the brick again with those colours from Montmartre. Bit of black, bit of red, bit of burnt sienna, and then I'm just going to tidy up where it may have leaked underneath the stencil. Grabbing your favourite wood glue, apply glue liberally over the entire back of the surface of the casting and glue it onto your little wood panel.